Hi, I'm Rob Snyder, National Service Manager for Carlisle HVAC. And today we're going to talk about benchtop welders. We have two here today. We have the 7100 and we have the 7250, our light duty and our more heavier duty units. All right, on our 7100, like I said, the main thing about this unit is durability and portability. It can be taken on the job sites. The handle's very simple. It's got a 10-foot power cable, high impact plastic, changeable weld tips, and metal triggers for durability. This unit is 220 single phase, and it'll do from half-inch to 1-inch pins up to 24 gauge, and it will do heavier gauges and longer pins at a slower rate. The control panel's very simple, on-off switch. Here's your weld and power lights. So when you turn the unit on, the light will come on to let you know it's on, and when you pull the trigger, the light will let you know how long the weld duration is. This is your weld setting selector and for how much weld you want. And that's basically it. Very durable, very portable. That's a 7100. Next, we're going to talk about the 7250. This is our high output machine. This has the same transformer as our floor models. So it's designed to do anything from half-inch to full 4-inch pins, from 26 gauge up to 18 gauge. And this unit also, like the 7100, runs off a 230 single phase. This also comes in a 7200, which is it has wheels and a built-in handcart feature. So it can be wheeled around the shop, which makes it nice. It's another machine that can be used anywhere in your shop, and it's portable. Next, we have the Weld Gun. This is our weld gun, made out of high input plastic. Has a chamfered interchangeable tip with a recess on it that captures the head of the nails. It's magnetic. It has a metal trigger for durability. The cables have protectors on them for going in and out of the sheet metal. It's a very durable gun. As far as the unit controls, this is your power on and off. This is your power on light to let you know when the unit's on. This is your weld light that comes on when the trigger is pressed and lets you know how long that you have your weld time on for. This is your weld selector switch for how much weld you need. Very simple. So that's our benchtop units that we're talking about today, the 7100, the 7250, and the 7200 with the mobile wheels and handcart feature. Very durable unit. These are portable units, and it'll be a good addition to anybody's shop. So thanks for watching today, and if you have any questions, see the description below. Thanks.